In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your app on Replit, Step-by-Step Tutorial 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each choice means so you can get your project live with confidence. First, head to the Replit homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can start a new project or open an existing one. Make sure you're signed in and that your app runs locally without errors. Publishing won't fix a broken build, so it's worth a quick check beforehand. From the home screen, click the highlighted Create option to start a new project. When the templates appear, choose Web App. This template is designed for browser-based apps and includes the basics you'll need to serve your project. If you already have a web project, you can simply open it from your dashboard instead. The publish process is the same once you're inside the workspace. Confirm the selection by clicking the highlighted button to create or open the project. Inside your project, look toward the top right of the editor and click Publish. This opens the publishing panel where Replit gathers everything it needs to put your app online. You'll see highlighted fields and options. Follow the prompts to review what Replit is asking for. Typically, this includes your app's title, a short description, and a thumbnail or icon. Keep these clear and accurate so visitors immediately understand what your app does. When you're ready, click Publish Your App. This brings up additional settings you can fine-tune. Click the highlighted control to expand more options if you need them. Then look for the Published App Access section. Click that to choose how people can reach your app. Public makes it discoverable by anyone. Unlisted keeps it hidden from search but shareable by link. Private restricts access, which is useful for internal demos or early testing. Pick the level that fits your goals right now. You can change it later if your needs evolve. After selecting your access level, click the highlighted confirmation. Then click Publish your app again to finalize. Replit will build and deploy your project and provide a live URL. That link is what you'll share with teammates, testers, or your audience. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you update your code, revisit the Publish button to push a new version so your live app stays in sync. It's a good idea to open the published URL in an incognito or private window to verify access settings and ensure assets load as expected. And keep your project organized. Clear naming and descriptions make future updates smoother. That's it.